Stress is an ancient superpower that is slowly killing you. It evolved as perhaps the most powerful biological tool for survival in the history of life on Earth. But in the modern world, this ancient gift has mutated into a double-edged sword. It grants your wish to rise to a gnarly challenge, to run faster, to work harder, and to survive the impossible. But it claims a massive chunk of your life force in return. Unless, of course, you learn how to use it right. To understand how to stop stress from destroying you, we first have to understand what it actually is. Because it is not just a feeling in your head, it is a full-body takeover. All living things, from the smallest bacteria to you, strive for homeostasis. This is a state where the body is in perfect balance. Temperature is right, energy levels are stable, and cells are happy. To maintain this balance, organisms make small adjustments, like moving into the sunlight if they are cold, or eating if they are hungry. But the world is a cruel, chaotic place. Death lurks behind every corner. Sometimes small adjustments aren't enough. Sometimes an organism needs to abandon balance entirely and react to an extreme situation instantly. This is how stress evolved. It is a physical override switch, a very fast, drastic change in the state of the body that prioritizes immediate survival over everything else, an emergency program that pushes the organism dangerously out of its comfort zone to save its life. To understand exactly how this works in humans and why it's breaking us today, let's visit a scene from 50,000 years ago. Imagine a group of early humans huddled around a fire in a dark, ancient forest. Suddenly, a desperate, starving saber-toothed tiger leaps from the darkness, attacking the camp. The leader of the group, let's call him jumps up. In this split second, time seems to slow down for His eyes lock onto the predator. His brain instantly classifies the tiger as a critical stressor and smashes the panic button in the control center of his mind. Immediately, the adrenal glands flood body with adrenaline. The fight or flight mode is engaged. This isn't a metaphor. It is a biological metamorphosis. His heart begins beating like a piston, tripling its rate to pump blood to the muscles. His lungs accelerate, gasping for air to provide an emergency supply of oxygen to the bloodstream. His liver dumps massive amounts of sugar into his blood for instant fuel. Adrenaline dictates that his muscles have absolute energy priority over every other organ in the body. Digestion stops immediately. Doesn't need to process lunch if he's about to become lunch. The libido vanishes. Even the immune system is put on hold, because fighting off a virus doesn't matter if you are about to bleed out. Speaking of bleeding, blood literally thickens and his veins constrict, just in case he gets bitten, so he won't lose blood as fast. Pain signals are muted. Fatigue is erased. His senses become super sharp. His pupils dilate to take in more light, and his focus narrows to a single point: the threat. Perceives every detail with maximum clarity. He realizes the tiger is coiling its muscles to pounce. There is only a split second to react. Adrenaline forces to make a quick, impulsive decision. The part of his brain responsible for deep thought and empathy shuts down. He doesn't think. He acts. He chooses to fight. He attacks with a strength and speed that would be impossible in his normal state. But the battle is long. The animal is desperate. Risks exhaustion. Adrenaline is a short-term boost, like a match lighting a fire. For a sustained fight, he needs something stronger. A new hormone enters the battlefield: cortisol. Cortisol is the commander. It manages the long-term stress response. It orders the body to keep dumping glucose into the blood for energy, even if it means breaking down muscle tissue to get it. It completely suppresses non-essential functions like growth, tissue repair, and reproductive systems. Body isn't his own anymore. It belongs to stress. Finally, after a grueling struggle, deals the killing blow. The tiger falls. The tribe gathers. They cheer. And slowly, the chemical tide begins to recede. Their bodies shut down the fight or flight system and activate the rest and digest system. Wounds begin to hurt as the painkillers wear off. Muscles cry out in exhaustion. It is time to recover, to heal, to bond, and to tell stories about the battle. Some fall asleep immediately. Others eat ravenously to replenish the energy stores. The tribe relaxes. Homeostasis is restored. This system is a masterpiece of evolution. It saved your ancestors. It is the reason you are alive today. So, when did this amazing superpower turn into a curse? The problem is a mismatch. Biologically, you are still Your ancient brain can't tell the difference between a lethal tiger and a passive-aggressive email. It pushes the exact same panic button. But here is the catch. Fought for 10 minutes and rested for 3 days. You sit in a chair, motionless, while micro-tigers attack you from dawn till dusk. You are stewing in high-octane survival hormones with no way to burn them off. This is chronic stress, and it destroys you. Your heart is overworked, your digestion shuts down, and your metabolism shifts to store belly fat. Worse, it physically rewires your brain. Your fear center grows, while your logic center shrinks. You literally lose wisdom points, becoming anxious, impulsive, and a worse version of yourself. But you are not a slave to your biology. You just need to close the cycle. Your body thinks it's in a fight. You need to physically prove it is safe. First, move. Burn the adrenaline. Run, do push-ups, or dance. Tell your primal brain, I fought. I survived. Second, breathe. Long, slow exhales act as a manual hack for your nervous system. Third, connect. Hugs and laughter release oxytocin, the natural antidote to stress. And finally, eliminate. If an app makes you angry, delete it. If an environment is toxic, change it. You have more control than you think. Stress is a superpower. Use it to break through barriers, but never forget to put the weapon down and rest.